Okay. Um, May 18th. Okay, so price opened. Price opened right here. Kind of tried pushing up, but couldn't quite get these highs. And below, slowly it's starting to make its way back up. And then since 5, basically almost 6, 548, 550, price has been making its way back down. It came over here, which was yesterday's open attempt to push up. Also came up to 4,500. Psychological levels include, again, that's weird. Sorry, I wasn't even picking up my screen. So, price came down, came back up, failed, or came up here, opens attempt. Couldn't quite come above this, so failed to do so, came up to the 50th. Psychological 7,400 right here. Intraday low is right there. Intraday high is right there. Bunch of consolidation right there. Not really anything else to mark out here. Yeah, so what am I waiting for? Well, let's just look at it broader. I'm just looking at the 15-minute right now. The 15-minute here. Can I switch one? Um, so, yeah, so that's such a big down move right here. Didn't quite come below this though. So we had such a big down move. Just basically yesterday. Yesterday it continued that for a little bit. So I mean now I can expect the same type of bigger move up. This isn't really that big of a move. NASDAQ I bet none of this will be, but honestly what I'm thinking is just a simple like here might be a really good setup for a like a pullback, comes above session high and then comes below. If not, then shorts above here are nice. Is it in like a range? Not definitely in this range. In this huge range, yes. And this is kind of, it's not kind of, it's just in the drop zone like we've seen previous drop here. But we'll have to see. Definitely have to see here, so yeah, all day. So it's either comes above here, fails, comes above market open high two, fails, and then short, or it comes above here, fails, then short, or it just dumps down here, psychological level potentially, or intraday low, and then okay, supposed to get I'm not gonna check news. So there's no big news today until like 6:30, and that's monetary policy minutes. So working on news. So pretty simple when I want. It's not gonna open high out there. So if you see on the 4-minute, then great. But I'll update. Okay. So price pumped up. Off here. Now, and I will then take a short. Range and candle extension check. Nice candle. Nice candle. Nice candle. Wicks. Nice wick right here. And rejection to swept liquidity. Also came above 40. So checks all the boxes really. So yeah, I would go short right here. I'd go short right here. From 10, so I got 3. Yeah. Got 3 going here. My first one, so that's 1. seconds right here, and then see if I can mount to 15 or 20. But I'll update. Okay, so I took the short, and I got 15 points off of it. Now dumped way down here. So that's session low, which is cool. 7,400 is right here. NASDAQ. Just gonna open NASDAQ on my. It's NASDAQ. NASDAQ swept this right here. So, and this was London's attempt to make a new intraday low, but couldn't. And NASDAQ swept that. ES made a new session low. Counts. Depends on how much this pumps right now, because already I really would like to take this trade. Yeah, so I'm not willing to take this because it's just too much risk for such little reward. I'll be risking 150 bucks or 200 bucks to make 70, so it's not good. But NASDAQ did grab 29,000. So it's just way too much risk for me. Sure, could this pump? Yes. Pump all the way up here. But I'm not gonna take it. Just made equal highs. Preferably what I want to see is a move down to psychological 7,400, or even lower. Intraday low would be amazing, or just this bar of London's attempt. But nothing yet. 15 minutes looking pretty bearish still. It closes in 4 minutes. Um, yeah, I mean, this could be a real target right here, and this is what, that's from from Friday, so Friday's highs could definitely be in play. That's way up here, though. It's right here. So there's like that little above it. Yeah, definitely not taking this because you're risking 18 points. So too much. This is pumping though. That's the thing. Yeah, I'll update. Okay. So could be a bullish S&T forming, but as of right now, uh, price came down to 7,400. Could stop here. Could very much stop here. Thing is though, this tournament would have to come about this one. Actually, not that bad. But needs to be paused right here. This is an equal low, or basically an equal low, so I'm not gonna take it. But yeah, wait, 39. Yeah, that's an equal low. Yeah. Plus, range and candle expansion, it kind of stalled right here, and then it didn't really expand that much, so that's why I don't want to take this trade. Could very much come up because it doesn't like to come up there. Again, Nasdaq did make. It is potentially making a bullish SMT, so that's that. But not good enough for me to trade. What I want to see is a move down into intraday low or past this, and I want to see like nice candles. Already 150 in potential profit, or fake profit, but I don't want to put that in jeopardy for some, mediocre trade that doesn't really follow my rules. 15 minute, it's actually looking not bad. Nice candles right here. Came down all the way down here, came back up, great, come back down, but it's still stuck in this big relic, so it doesn't really count for me. Also, it's probably too much risk, yeah. So, it's the waiting game. So, we'll see. Okay, so price literally consolidated for quite a while. Nothing really stood out to me here. Well, first we had this here, way too much risk. And then consolidated, and then back down. Intraday low is right here. Nasdaq has already swept the intraday low before. So intraday low is a real target. We tried right here, couldn't get it. We're trying again. I don't know. Are we gonna fail? I don't know, but it's likely we're gonna hit it. And if we do, I'm willing to go long. See how this candle looks. I would like to see this just push through. And then this target right here is this one right here is intraday low, and this one right here is previous day low. Oh no, not even previous, like few days before. So big draw right here. Can sweep this. That would be great. Nasdaq. That big low is this low. I'm pretty sure. Oh wait, no. Is it this low? It's the 12th of May one. Oh yeah, so this is the low. So Nasdaq hasn't swept that one either. But it's a lot lower than the one for ES. So yeah, just waiting for this. Psychological number is actually, or is also at the 75, so that's cool. In terms of whether I'm willing to go long here, that's looking pretty solid. Looks like a solid long, failed to come below intraday low. Only thing is, we already visited it.
Dutch, I really need a rag. Please, there's so much throw.
So failed to make. So range expansion, yes. Wicks, yes. But on this side too. Liquidity failed to come here. Ranges not in consolidation. Psychological level didn't come down to the 75s. don't like how close it came to that. No, I don't. Failed to come below intraday low and psychological level. Tried but couldn't. Tried again. Couldn't quite make it. So yeah, this is a bad long. Not gonna lie. That would be break even. Yeah, I'm gonna take it because I've been through this type of trade many of times where fails to make a new intraday low and stuff like that. So looks good. But I do want it to make a new intraday low though. That's the thing. Because it's right here, and Nas, yeah, I mean, I do want it to make a new intraday low. That's the thing. Kind of iffy on this one.
Did okay. Give me a second and let me tell my story straight. I'm on the bathroom, getting high and
Yeah, I want it to sweep the intraday low. So yeah, I'm not gonna count this. It's just it's for me to want to take this trade. It has to at least show that it wants to come down here. If it just barely comes below or comes above, then I mean, it's not a trade for me. Yeah. But like it closed at a doji. Interesting. This would be 10, but I'm not gonna take it. Too late. But yeah, I'll update if it happens. If it comes down here and grabs this intraday low, then great. Looking for a move up. So, update. Okay, so reviewing this. So I decided not to take the long because it came too close to intraday low there, so I wanted to wait for that. But once it did, I wasn't here for this trade, but would I have taken it? Let's see, so range, candle expansion, boom, little pullback. Okay, we expanded downwards, nice candle, little doji, and then we made a new low right here. And then it came above. So wicks, yes, wicks look good. Range and candle expansion. Oh, and liquidity and psychological levels, great. It's good. The only thing that troubles me a little bit about this is that it wasn't like really perfect. Like this is really nice right here. This is kind of iffy. Yeah, honestly, it was a very good long though, because it pumped up like 40, 50 points. Okay, so going over this right here, it gave us a valid signal, right? So range expansion, check. Candle expansion, check. Wicks, check. Liquidity, fail, or it came below this low, or this low too. Psychological level, it failed to come to 75s as well, as it failed to come below the liquidity. And I wasn't interested in that. Did it fail? Yes, it did. Got so close to it, so I didn't end up taking it. So since it failed right here, coming back, like they want to drive this down here, right? So cool. Now I need to see liquidity. Liquidity, check. Psychological, check. Range, not in the middle of the range. No consolidation. Didn't fail. Great. Wicks, yes. Wick right here. Range and candle expansion. So, range. Boom, boom, boom. Pull back. Just keep going down. Expanded the range even more. Swept intraday low. Grab this 8. Going at 3, so 1 at 5, 1 at 10, so 5, 10, so that's already 75, and then 1 wherever. Honestly, probably after sweeping this, so what, that's 30-ish points, 33 points. So that plus, so 5, 150. So that's 975 total, so I count. Pretty good day. Again, reviewing 2 trades. First one, so I didn't like this one. First of all, it was before I could trade. Second of all, it's just too much, too many wicks. Nice, great. Come up here, range expansion, candle expansion, great. Boom, short. Caught 10 points right there. Came down, so came down. Wasn't interested, too much risk. Wasn't interested, too much risk. Plus, there was no point in shorting, like basically right here, right? Because it just came below, like market open low, even though. Sorry about that. Yeah, so basically no point in going long right here because, like, even though that it came below session low. Actually, I mean, yeah, it is valid, but the only reason why I didn't want to take it is because of the amount of risk that involved. That's too much. Okay, so boom, boom. Dude, nope, too much risk. Okay, but it would have been a good trade, but it was too much risk for me. Because we expanded out of this. So, yeah. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, do we go long right here? No, because I didn't like it. Because it came so close to this low right here. So that's why I didn't want to take it, because that was like the true target for today. So, okay. We're going to try again. Range expansion, range expansion. Boom. Come below. So pretty good. Solid day. So yeah, come back with an account. So bye bye.